Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's scroll and find backup to Google Drive, and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Here we have to tap on next, and either add account if you do not have your Google account added to the device, or if you've got one, you will be able to choose it from the list. So let me tap on add account. Here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. And tap on next. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we have to decide what kind of things we want to backup, so photos and videos or other device data like call history, contacts, device settings and text messages. It's up to you, just mark the option you'd like to use. You can use both, of course. I'll choose other device data and tap on confirm. Tap on manage backup, and here we've got backup section, so you can check how much space you've got left on your account. You can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it you've got backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up. Advanced settings, which I highly recommend to keep turned off, so you can avoid some charges which may appear if you will back up the data using the mobile data. And to finish everything, simply tap on backup now, and right now your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.